Welcome to the channel. Today we will learn to write AZ alphabets. So grab your pencil and draw after me. 1. Yes. Draw downwards. 2. Now repeat the same process again. 3. Draw a line in middle of the A. A is for ant. 1. Yes. Draw a straight line downwards. 2. Make a curve. 3. Repeat the same. Yes. It's B. And B is for bat. 1. Draw a one-time curve without stopping your pencil. Yes. You made it! It's C, and C is for cat. 1. Now firstly draw a straight line downwards. 2. Then a curve. Yes! It's D. D is for dog. 1. Yes! Draw a straight line downwards. 2. Draw a line on top of the straight line. 3. Draw a line in the middle of the E. 4. Yes! Draw a line in the bottom of the E. Good job, kids! It's E, and E is for elephant. 1. Yes! Draw a straight line downwards. 2. Draw a line in the middle of the F. It's F, and F is for fish. 1. Draw a one-time curve without stopping your pencil. 2. Draw a line in the middle of the G. It's G, and G is for grasshopper. 1. Yes! Draw a straight line downwards. 2. Again, draw a straight line against first line. 3. Now draw a line in the middle of the H connecting both lines. Yes! It's H. And H is for hippo. 1. First draw a straight line downwards. 2. Now draw a line on top of the I. 3. Again, draw a line in bottom of the I. It's I, and I is for iguana. 1. First draw a curved line slightly bending in bottom. 2. Now draw a line on top of the J. It's J, and J is for jellyfish. 1. First draw a straight line downwards. 2. Again, draw a straight line moving inwards. 3. Repeat by drawing a straight line moving outwards. It's K, and K is for kangaroo. 1. First draw a straight line downwards. 2. Now draw a straight line in the bottom of L. It's L, and L is for lion. 1. First draw a straight line downwards. 2. Now draw a half diagonal line inwards. 3. Repeat the process but outwards. 4. Finally draw a straight line downwards. Yes! It's M, and M is for monkey. 1. First draw a straight line downwards. 2. Now draw a diagonal line inwards. 3. Finally draw a straight but outwards. Yes! It's N, and N is for narwhal. 1. Dear kids, hold your pencil tight and draw a one-time round circle. See, it's O. And O is for octopus. 1. Draw a one-time round circle. 2. Make a half diagonal line between the circle. Yes! It's Q. And Q is for Queen Bee. 1. First draw a straight line downwards. 2. Now make a curve dragging your pencil inwards. 3. Finally draw a half diagonal line outwards. Wow! It's R! And R is for rabbit. 1. Draw a one-time curve line and bend it inwards first and then outwards. Here is our S. And S is for snake. 1. First draw a straight line downwards. 2. Now draw a vertical line on top of the first line. Yes! It's T. And T is for tiger. 1. Draw a curve line bending inwards. 2. Now draw a horizontal line connecting first line. It's really simple. First, draw a diagonal line bending inwards. 2. Now draw a diagonal line bending outwards. Yes! It's V, and V is for vulture. 1. Draw a diagonal line downwards. 2. Now draw a diagonal line outwards. 3. Repeat the first process. 4. Repeat the second process. Yes! It's W, and W is for whale. 1. Draw a diagonal line downwards. 2. Draw a diagonal line outwards cutting each other in the center. Yes! It's X, and X is for X-ray fish. 1. Draw a half diagonal line. 2. Make the same diagonal line from opposite side. 3. Now draw another diagonal line attaching both lines. Yes! It's Y. And Y is for yak. 1. First draw a vertical line. 2. Now draw a diagonal line downwards. 3. Now draw a same vertical line again. Yes! It's Z. Z is for zebra.
Good job, kids! Like, subscribe, and share!